Salutations friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the American Influencer Association Beauty Bundle box. Now, I literally just filmed this video and I realized I didn't press the record button, so it's going to be, you know, another unboxing, but let's get into it. My name's Kristin, welcome to my channel. I am not known for being the best at this, but I love having you here. So, transparency purposes. They sent me this. Very nice of them. Thank you. They didn't want a review. They just wanted an unboxing, which is great. Thanks so much. If you guys are familiar with my channel, hi. Back 4 years ago when I first started doing YouTube, I did a lot of unboxings of subscription services that I paid for. I still have those subscription services. Got like 2 or 3 Ipsies, BoxyCharm. I just stopped Birchbox and Glossybox because I don't need that much surprise in my life right now. But I've had a few subscription boxes reach out and ask if I would be willing to share unboxings with them. And since this is something I did do on my channel a long time and I still keep up with, I thought, why not? So American Influencer Association Beauty Bundle, there we go, is a subscription bi-monthly box that costs $34 and it features one influencer's brand per box. So this month is Manna Kadar, and it's her cosmetics line. There's about $160 worth of products in here, and you pay $34. And that $34, you can save 10% if you use my code BeautyMeow below at checkout. Now that is not an affiliate code, so I don't get any kickback from that. But they did offer that code for you guys if you are interested in trying out this subscription box. As boxes go, I think it's a very generously priced box. It's a bi-monthly box, and I like the idea that you're getting an entire brand, so you can really get an idea of a range of products. That being said, let's go into the unboxing. Now, since I've already opened and swatched these guys, I'm going to make this video a lot shorter than it was the first time. The first product we are going to talk about is the Hydration Happy Spray. This is a facial hydration spray. You can use it to set your makeup, but a lot of times with facial hydration sprays, depending on the type of skin you have, the type of sprayer that's there, the what's the word I'm looking for, the application that how you put your makeup on, I wouldn't recommend facial hydration sprays to set your makeup. Try it first and see, but I do love facial hydration mists throughout the day if you want to rehydrate your skin. They're really great, and I do have quite a bunch of them in my collection, and I'm always adding more, so I'm really excited to try this. Now, I was also sent 2 of these compacts. One of them is this one, I think is the High Perfecting Powder. This is their this is kind of like her setting powder, makeup powder, mattifying powder. I did test it right here to see, because it does say it's for all skin types. When I would shade match at Ulta, whenever I was shade matching a woman who had beautiful deep complexion, I always shade matched here or on her neck. I didn't really like shade matching on the jaw because a lot of times, like, the skin here could have like hyperpigmentation and it could be uneven skin tones for anybody of any color. But what I noticed is to get a truer, more beautiful match to darker skin tones for foundations, I always would do it right here and right here, if they would let me. Now, when it came down to testing powders to see if a setting powder or translucent powder would work for the skin tone, it wouldn't leave them feeling ashy or gray, or if it worked with their undertone, I would always kind of test it on my tattoo, because if it left a weird gray mark on my tattoo, generally in a lot of cases it might also not work for them. It wasn't true all of the time, but I never liked loading a woman's face up with unnecessary testers, because even though we kept everything clean and sanitized, I just didn't want to overload their skin with too much stuff. So it was easier for me to test it on me, and if it looked like something that would work for them, then we could try it on them rather than having to load up her face with like 6 different powders and all of them look ashy. So when we found one that kind of worked well on my tattoo, then I would try it on her skin and not try like 8 different things. That's normally what I would do for powder products, because if it looks ashy and gray here and this is like a cool tone tattoo, it's going to look ashy and gray. So that's a little thing that I did. I'm not saying that's the right way to do it, but that's how I did it when we were allowed to shade match. And so when I tried this over the tattoo, it didn't look gray, didn't look ashy, it kind of blended in nicely. You could see a little bit of a cast there, but this is a very dark pigmented tattoo. So I'm not gonna say that this is going to work for all skin tones, but I definitely think it'd be worth checking out if you wanted to try. Next up is this other compact. This is a blush bronzer duo. Now this particular product, wrong one, grabbed the wrong one, hi. This particular product I love and I don't think will work for me. So it's a duo product right here. You've got this blush and this illuminating shimmery bronzer. Now the color of this bronzer would not work for me because my complexion is that of cottage cheese. And I have a beautiful texture across my skin. I look like an English muffin. It's great. So shimmery bronzers aren't the best for me. So I swatched it right here. Right here is the blush, and I swatched these with a brush. I didn't use my fingers. So this is the blush right here, which I actually love. I think this would be really beautiful. And sometimes I like to drape instead of contour, which I'll just take a little bit of my blush and kind of go over the areas of my face that I would normally contour or bronze. I like the way it looks. Not everyone likes it. I really like it. I think this would be a beautiful draping blush, so I'm excited for that. This is the bronzer. You can see right here it is very shimmery. I don't like it as a bronzer, but I think I'm going to love it as an eyeshadow. So this is that product right here. I like how the pans are nice and big, so that way you can kind of dip your brush in there. Now last, well not last, but last of the swatches is this. This is the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. Now I love glosses. I don't wear them too much when I film because it makes my lips look like a trout, but IRL, I wear them all the time. And it's this color right here, and I love this color. This is very pretty. So this is what it looks like right here. It's the color Sienna. If you care about the applicator, it's just your standard doe foot applicator. And I'm excited for it. I love lip products and stuff like that. I have way too many lipsticks. So I'm excited to give this a whirl. I think it actually would be really nice. Last and certainly not least, I didn't take these products out because I'm going to wait until I need them. It is the Lash Serum. So I think this works kind of like a primer, like it primes and nourishes your lashes, but it also helps them appear fuller when you wear mascara. That's just what I'm assuming. And I don't know if you can see the before and after, but that looks nice. Those look like nice lashes. And then this is the Volumizing Mascara. And I'm pretty much going to be throwing away like 10 mascaras the next week because we're getting to that 3-month mark. So this will definitely be coming out and being worn, and I'll know if I like it. But this is $29 and this is $29. This basically, let's see, I got the breakdown of the cost here. So this retails for $19, $20. Everything else, well, the lipstick and the duo, the pan duo, those retail for $24, and then everything else retails for $30. So this brand is definitely prestige priced. It is definitely up there in regards to the price of the products. So far, what I've swatched seems really beautiful. I haven't tried anything on my skin, so I'm not going to be able to tell you if it's good or not. But the general quality of this box, I think, is really cool. I think it's a great quality. $34 isn't bad considering it's the price of one of these products. So if you were interested in trying one of these products anyway, get this box. It's here till July 34th, so that way you can try a variety of different products. But what I actually like about this box, and I haven't seen with other boxes, is the fact that this is all one brand. So it's really giving you an idea not only the influencer's point of view, but also just an entire brand's identity. So you can try products that are made to work together. You can try a variety of different things at the same level. Sometimes with subscription boxes, what I love is the variety that you get. But sometimes I might want to try a liner and mascara, or a bronzer and a blush from the same brand, because sometimes the formulas work a little bit better with each other. Not in every case, not in every case, but it's nice to be able to try an entire lineup from a brand. So I'm really very excited to try these products. So anyway, that is the unboxing of the American Influencer Association Beauty Bundle. Again, a humongous thank you to them for sending me this box. I'm really excited to try these products. And again, use my code BeautyMeow below at checkout to save 10% on your box. And yeah, if you guys want me to start doing makeup reviews again, let me know. I know looking at my face, I don't look like the best person to do makeup reviews. I get it. I understand. I'm surprised when companies reach out and want me to share stuff like this with you, because obviously they haven't seen my non-existent skills, but nonetheless, I'm very excited to share these with you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.